Hello guys, what's going on? How's everybody doing this morning? So I just got home from work. I'm on night shift currently, and we're gonna try and get some stuff done to the truck tonight. The plan is to finish our plumbing of our fuel system and get everything just routed correctly there, get our wiring done, hopefully wire in our air dog, permanently, and just get all that kind of good to go. This harness here, we will leave kind of loose back there until we get the bed back on and figure out where the taillight, wires should go and route all that, correctly. So that's kind of the game plan this morning. And we're just going to get right into it. I do have to break out the welder to start off with because, as you can see here, when I was cutting this cross member out, I went a little deep on the frame there. I'd like to just fill it in, grind it back down, just make it look a little better before I get everything in there and we can't get to it. So we got to do that. But I do have some good news. The torque converter is en route to Muldoon's. Just found out yesterday. John said he got an email that it is on its way. So hopefully we will have that. It's Thursday now, so it's not going to be till next week, but hopefully next week we can run down there, get the transmission. That'll allow us to get the transmission in, transfer case, drive shaft, and we can figure out what's going on with this cross member and get this movable again. It's been way too long. Good deal. I'm happy. I'm excited that everything's kind of coming together, so that way we still have a list of stuff that needs done, but we're gonna just knock that all out hopefully before that gets here. Obviously that cross member we can't do till it does, but other than that, fuel system hopefully we get done tonight. Our rollover valve, I still haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm leaning towards right now installing the rollover valve here or here. And what we'll do is we'll either put like a pipe nipple on it or something like that, like a hard pipe with like your K&N filter, or piece of flex line and run it up to like the frame or something with a filter on it. That's what I'm thinking now. If anybody else has a better idea, let me know down in the comments. Another thing I had talked about the other night, getting this from, I said anline.com or anfittings.com. It's anhosefittings.com. Somebody had corrected me in the comments. Tom Duncan? Yeah, so Tom Duncan, 1970, he had commented that anfittings.com went to some wheel adapter site. So anhosefittings.com, it's like race flux or something. And if you go on their website, apparently all their fittings are guaranteed for life. So just check them out. I don't get nothing out of it, but I just find the site useful. You can get the amount of hose you need, so you don't have a bunch of extra laying around. But anyway, back to what we still got to do. We should get that all wrapped up here shortly, get everything back in transmission wise, then we will do our cross member. So then we have our trans cooler mount, a little bit of wiring with that kind of stuff, and the bed. Then we should be about ready to go. And maybe we can take this thing to the track before we even get into doing cage type stuff. So anyway, a little bit of rambling there to start off, but let's get to it. Get this thing welded up, get these lines ran, get everything wired and plumbed, and be that much closer to being ready to go. So starting with the engine compartment and working our way back, we have our dash 8 45-degree push lock fitting going to our fleece distribution block that comes down and then routes down along the frame. Also, we have our dash 6 line here that goes to the back of the head right here, which routes down to our dash 6 to dash 10 adapter to our dash 10 T, which then follows the frame with our fuel feed and our wiring harnesses to the back here. And I must say, I'm very happy with how this all turned out. Not having the transmission in here definitely made this a much easier task than it would have been. And all these lines route up along the frame with a big little wiring conjunction here. I still have the connector here for the fuel sending unit. I haven't decided exactly what to do with that yet, whether to get the tuning to just put the fuel gauge like in the middle or full or something, or to try and figure out a way to get that to work with our fuel cell. But that being said, the rest of the fuel system is done. We did finish our wiring with a nice soldering connection for our quick disconnect harness for our air dog. So that's all done. The only real wiring left to do back here is the harness for the taillights and all that. And we have this little connector here, which is for our aux transmission coolers. We don't really have a mount for those yet with our new streamlined setup, if you will. So we're gonna have to figure something out with them. So I just kind of left those loose till we figure that out. Other than installing a rollover valve / vent into the fuel cell and bolting that down permanently, the fuel feeds and the returns are done. The wiring for the air dog setup is done. Like I said, I haven't decided what to do with the sending unit stuff. I might try and get the one with the fuel cell to work. Still haven't decided what I'm doing there. Anyhow, for the most part, that is done. Just a couple little dumb things and we're ready to go. All the fittings are tightened up under the hood. Really, other than the vent, we could put fuel in here and turn the key and get fuel to the engine. We can fire the engine. But we're not going to do that today. I am extremely tired after working all night. Now I'm working on a truck. I got to get some sleep so I can go back to work tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. We're getting close. We're getting very close. As soon as that torque converter and transmission get here, I'm hoping to move this thing. All right, guys, get to working on your truck.